Oh, hey there. We got the AirPods Max in the store for us today. Let's open them up. So I definitely been looking at getting noise canceling headphones because I am working from home right now. And I wanted to get, the most compatible headphones with my everyday workflow. And I need over ears, right? So for me, in my everyday workflow, I can look at the Bose, the Sonys, and this and that, and everything else. But I'm using my Mac right now. So I use a Mac. I use an iPad when I'm on the road. I use my iPhone all the time. So for me, it really just made a lot of sense from a business aspect, because I am a business professional, to get the AirPods Max. So I wanted to pick these up specifically in the blue color because one, I really like it. Two, it really wasn't sold on any of the other colors. But pulling them out of the box, I mean, wow, they definitely feel super, super premium. They've got this aluminum here. The headband itself, it's nice. It's kind of feels like gushy, right? Like if you're kind of like squeezing a gummy bear, it's kind of what it feels like, squeezing the gummy bear. The aluminum is cool to the touch. So I don't know how that's going to last like long term, during the day with me using these all the time. So we'll have to test that out. Magnetic ear cups. It's got the digital crown, just like on the Apple Watch. Very similar power button, very similar feel to what we have in a lot of other Apple products. The charging case, as I'm sure you've heard by now, it's pretty ugly. It's definitely the ugliest part of these headphones. So not a massive fan of these. Pulling them out for the first time. The case is what it is. In the box, they gave us, what did they give us? A Lightning to USB-C for the Lightning charge port. It's just blows my mind that they didn't give us just straight USB-C. But for me, I'm really not going to use these as wired headphones. A lot of people are complaining about lossless audio, but for me, I'm choosing to use these as wireless headphones. So I really need them for the wireless capabilities. Apple, you got stingy on the stickers. There's no stickers in this box. I spent $500 on these headphones, and you didn't give me any stickers. So that's kind of disappointing. But I got a charge cable. That's great and all. So let me pair these to my iPhone. I'll give you a listen, and I'll let you know out of 10 how they sound. Be right back. Awesome. So we are back. What I didn't mention before is that the adjustable rails on these are super smooth and really stiff. I like it. I like it a lot. Sound quality. So music, I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. Really, really sounds great with music. Zoom, I would give it Zoom on a Zoom call. Maybe a 6 out of 10. Google Meet, definitely a 9. It was great on Google Meet. And on regular phone calls, it was a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on the noise canceling. So for me, these are amazing. I love these a lot for where they are right now. I like them. They're great for what I use them for. So for business, I wear my glasses about half the time. So, wearing these with my glasses really felt very comfortable. Not a lot of pressure like other headphones, but they were snug on my head, right? So if you're going to get these, if you're a business professional, they're great. Audiophile, maybe not so much, but the average consumer, these are going to be great. These are really, really, really great headphones. So 3 thumbs up for me. Awesome. See you in the next one. Bye.